In a recent video, I showed you my stacking trays procedure, and in that video, I also promised that after I had some things growing in the Microgreens Palace, I would give you a little tour, show you what's going on in there. I've shown this in the past. I've been using this for a few years now, but hey, never hurts to show some more. Some people probably didn't see those other videos, so let's walk inside and see what's going on. So this is my Microgreens Palace, is what I dubbed it because it's beautiful. And I just want to show you a couple things. Like, for one, it's still a little bit of a mess. I still got some more cleanup to do in here. But I do have some things growing. Here we've got some arugula. I did have a problem with the corner of this tray. The top dried up. And all these arugula plants actually looked like they were going to die. But they all came back. This is getting pretty close to being ready to harvest. Some speckled pea. That's doing great. These are ones you saw me in the video plant that I did not soak. And what I notice a little bit about when you don't soak them is they're not necessarily going to be much different than if you did soak them, but the evenness, see how they're like kind of a little bit blotchy and how they have germinated? In a couple days you won't be able to tell. That'll be just fine, but it is a little bit more uneven. And as I've said in the past, doing a short, like 3-hour soak, you will get better results. This is a spicy salad mix. Some broccoli. Red garnet amaranth. Some China rose radish. These have really, really beautiful stems. I've been saying this in some videos lately, but in case you didn't catch that, I've been finding that the organic China rose radish has a much better stem color. And I need to do a comparison video pretty soon on that just to prove it. Here's some Rambo radish. This is ready to harvest. That China rose is pretty much ready as well. You can see this all looks pretty nice. Some empty spaces. Random hanging power cord. There's some more broccoli. This broccoli is like 2 or 3 days newer than that first tray I just showed you. Here's some more arugula. Also 2 or 3 days behind the first arugula. More arugula. And more arugula. And more China rose radish. That's about 2 or 3 days behind the first stuff I showed you. Looking beautiful. Now I'm going to be planting a lot more tonight. I kind of slowly moved from going indoors to outdoors, and with the whole virus thing, my business actually has recently been really taken off. There's a couple retail stores I work with locally that it took a little while for it to really pick up because most people don't know what microgreens are around here still, and they have to try them. So after people buy them, I've been finding that the sales have been really picking up, and people are actually starting to talk about them, and I'm starting to become pretty well known in the area for the microgreens. Kind of a funny story, my wife came in and told me today that our mail lady, she actually had to talk to her today because she got some package delivered. My wife gets packages delivered like every day. But she was asking her, like, if we were the Brabants that had the microgreens or if we knew who they were. And my wife was like, yeah, that's my husband. He grows them. And so we might even start a deal with leaving some in the mailbox for her to take when she delivers our mail. But I don't think I'm going to do that. I'd be worried about the microgreens surviving. Who knows what time she's going to show up. So an interesting thing that goes along with the whole business picking up a little bit as I've been selling more to the retail locations is that At first, I wasn't really selling much arugula. I delivered a couple times, and those were the packages that I found that when I would go back, that they didn't sell, and so I'd replace them for free with a different package. It's kind of what I do is I have a deal with the retailers that any packages that go bad, that just don't sell, I'll replace them for free for other packages. It just keeps it simple. I take the hit. It puts no risk on the retailer that way, and it works out really well. And so anyways, arugula, I passed a couple times after I replaced them for free with other product. Suddenly everybody wanted arugula. And the retailers were even writing to me and saying, hey, you know, people want the arugula. And I came in to deliver, and the lady working there was like, did you bring arugula? Because I've got 3 people that are ordering it. So a lot of these people, they set up curbside delivery. So these farmers markets is what you could call them, but they're really real little retail locations. They set it up so you could order online. And that really helped me out a lot as well, because one company actually created a separate tab just for my products, for Brabant Farms Microgreens. And so people could go on there and look at the stuff I had available. I put in descriptions of like what they taste like, what they look like, and that really helped with sales a lot. But it also increased my commitment to them. I have to make sure I have product, and you can see that right now I don't have a lot growing, so I need to really step that up and get going with that. So that's what I'm going to do right now. But I wanted to just explain how things are going, just make a short video, give a couple little tidbits in there, and hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, leave a comment, let me know if you like what I've been doing, the content I've been sharing, if there's something more you want me to talk about, something you want me to show, and I'll be happy to do that. Thanks for watching.